Good morning, student. This is class 8, chapter number 2. The name of that chapter is powers, which is also known as exponent. Here you can see I have written 2 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 power 3. Okay, it means 2 is coming 3 times. Same way, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times 2 coming? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it can be written as 2 power 4. It means 2 is coming 4 times. Okay, so the number which has power, that number is called base, and what is the power, that is called the exponent. This is the main important thing of this chapter. Okay, you can read it as 2 to the 4th power. Okay, there are certain rules and laws regarding this chapter, so let's study that. First law is a power m multiplied by a power n equal a power m plus n. A means base and m are powers. So here you can see 2 power 7 multiplied 2 power 5, that is equal to 2 power 7 plus 5 according to law first. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 2 power 12 is the answer. Okay, let's see another example. A power m power n power p. You can see only one base is there and 3 different powers are given. So what is the answer of that? The base should be written one time and it has all the power in multiplication form. Okay, so you have to multiply all the powers. Let's see with example. 2 power 7 power 5. It means 2 power 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 2 power 35. Okay, understood? Now rule number 3. A into B close bracket and then power m. It means this power is distributed to A and B both equally. So when you break the bracket, you will have A power m into B power m. Okay, let's see with example also. 2 multiply 3 bracket close raised to power 5. It means 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5. Okay, now question law 4. A upon B to the power m. It means this power should be divided to A and B both. So here A power m upon B power m. Remember that your denominator, that is B here, must not be equal to 0. Let's understand it with example. You see 2 by 3 raised to power 5 is written. It means 2 power 5 upon 3 power 5. Okay, if you want to get the value of 2 power 5, you can write down 2 in this way. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 means 2 should be written 5 times. Now multiply 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So 32 is your answer. Same way 3 power 5 you have to write down. It means 3 should be written 5 times and multiply them, you will have 243 is the answer. Okay, now law 5. A power m divided by A power n. You see that base is same but power are different and in between there is division sign. So what is, only one time you have to write down the base and power should be subtracted. Okay, let's see with the example. 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power 5 minus 3 because of division sign. If there is multiplication sign, then power will be added. Now 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 2 square, it can be written as 2 into 2. The value of 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, and second last is A power 0 is 1. It means any expression except 0 raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, you see that I have written here 100 raised to the power 0, the value is 1. 5 raised to the power 0, the value is 1. So in both the cases you can see that number may be bigger or smaller, but if it has raised to the power 0, the value is always 1, that is same. Okay, now last rule of this chapter is, if A by B is written, and it has minus m as power. So what you will do, change the fraction, numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator. Here it is a upon b written, but here it is b upon a written. So minus sign will be gone. Okay, so minus sign will be removed. When you change, when you do reciprocal of the fraction, you will have different sign. Okay, if it is minus already, then it should be plus. If it is plus here, then it should be minus. Clear? Power will be changed in respect with sign. Okay, see the example, 2 power 3 raised to the power minus 4. So what is the answer? 3 upon 2 power 4. Okay, you see that here it is minus, but here in this case there is no minus. So this is the difference of this law. Okay, so try it again and read as much as you can. Practice your exercises depending on these laws, and tomorrow, sorry, in next video I will go with the exercise. Till then,